What's up everybody? Today I'll be making a chocolate torte, aka flourless chocolate cake. And it's super delicious and also gluten-free. So it pleases everyone. First up, I'll start with the tools that you'll be needing. A KitchenAid fitted with a whisk attachment. A bowl. You'll be needing a 9-inch cake pan with parchment on the bottom and also some pan spray. A rubber spatula. Some powdered sugar with a sifter. And that's basically all the tools that you'll be needing. For the ingredients, you'll be needing some semi-sweet chocolate. You'll be needing 6 eggs separated into egg yolks and egg whites, some almond flour, granulated white sugar, room temperature butter, olive oil, some sliced almonds just for the topping, and also some vanilla. And that's basically everything that you'll be needing. Let's get started. The first step is I'll take my chocolate, my olive oil, and I'll place this in a microwave so it melts completely. So in my microwave, it took about a minute. So you just want to mix this together, your olive oil and chocolate. And what you can do now that it's mixed together, you can pop this back into your container. And you can go ahead and wash this container because you'll need it for the next step. So now I washed my container, now I'm ready for the next step. What I'll do is I'll add my egg whites to my mixer. I'll let this whip until it becomes a nice little foam. Then I'll start adding some of my sugar. So now you can see my egg whites have become a little bit foamy. Now I'll add half of my sugar to it and gradually. So that's half of my sugar. And I'll let this whip until it becomes a stiff peak. By stiff peak, this is what I'm looking for. So now we'll go to the next step. So now I'll transfer my egg whites into my clean bowl. And to my mixer, I'll add my sugar, my remaining sugar, and my egg yolks. And now the goal here is to whip this until it has a nice ribbon. So now you can see the egg yolks and sugar have come together and become nice and ribbony, and I'll show you what I mean by that. To this mixture, I'll add my softened butter, and now I'll whip this together on medium. So this is what you're looking for. And to that, I'll add my vanilla, and I'll mix this around. So this is the final step before you mix everything together. So now I'll mix everything together. I have my egg yolks, sugar, butter, and vanilla in one container. I have my egg whites separated. To this mixture, I'll add my chocolate and olive oil. And you want to fold this in. So I'm folding the chocolate and olive oil into my mixture with the egg yolks. And this is what you get. To that, I'll add my almond flour. And again, the folding action. So after that's well incorporated, I'll add half of my egg whites. And again, you want to fold this in gently because you don't want to lose the volume you get from whipping your egg whites. And now I'll add my remaining egg whites. And again, the folding action. Get all around. So after you folded everything in, this is what you get. No white spots. And you'll set that aside. You'll grab your cake pan, and now you'll add some powdered sugar on the bottom and on the sides. And you'll add your mixture straight in. And you'll spread this around. And you'll grab your sliced almonds and you'll spread these all around. And now you'll set this in a 350-degree oven for about 50 to 55 minutes. So my chocolate torte is done and this is how it looks. What I'll do next is I'll take my offset, you can also use a knife, and just run around the sides. And now I'll let it sit for 30 minutes before I unmold. So after your torte has cooled, you'll unmold it, and then to finish, you'll add some powdered sugar. And that's your finished dessert. Beautiful. So thank you for watching. Please make this delicious gluten-free chocolate torte. I promise you will enjoy it. And as always, the recipe will be in the description below. Again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please drop a comment below and please subscribe. Now we'll try this delicious torte. Hey, amazing.